Reciben Manugunda Garalaha Chuluru Lura Friendaru Garifuna. Today's Garifuna word of the day is Abóugua. Abóugua. And it means to cook. Now to practice a little conjugation. Nabóugua. I cook. Or I am cooking. Babóugua. It means you cook. Or you are cooking. Labóugua. He cooks. Or he is cooking. Tabóugua. She cooks. Or she is cooking. Wabóugua. We cook. Or we are cooking. Habóugua. And it means you, plural, are cooking. Or you, plural, cook. And also, when you refer to they are cooking, you say a group of people are cooking, it's Habóugua. And remember, it's all in context. As always, I appreciate you investing your time. And until the next episode, Zoreme, Ayo.